How lipstick is made. Step-by-step lipstick sparkles. Lipstick is a combination of waxes, oils, pigments, and emollients that give it its texture, color, and smooth application. Here's how it's made. 1. Ingredients used in lipstick test tube. Checkmark waxes, Beeswax, Candelilla Wax, Carnauba Wax, provides structure and shape. Checkmark oils and butters, Castor oil, Shea butter, cocoa butter, adds moisture and shine. Checkmark pigments and dyes, gives the lipstick its color. Checkmark preservatives and fragrances, ensures long shelf life and a pleasant scent. Checkmark emollients, lanolin, vitamin E, keeps lips soft and prevents dryness. 2. Step-by-step lipstick making process. Factory. Step 1. Melting and mixing. Fire. 1. Waxes, oils, and butters are melted together at high temperatures, around 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Pigments and dyes are added to create the desired color. 3. The mixture is blended until smooth. Step 2. Refining the texture. Tornado. 1. The melted mix is passed through rollers or mills to evenly distribute pigments. 2. This ensures a smooth and even application. Step 3. Molding and cooling. Snowflake. 1. The liquid lipstick is poured into metal or silicone molds. 2. The molds are cooled quickly, often in a refrigerator or cold room. 3. Once hardened, the lipstick is removed from the mold. Step 4. Shaping and polishing. Sparkles. 1. Lipsticks are flame-treated or polished to remove imperfections. 2. This gives them a shiny, smooth finish. Step 5. Packaging and quality check. Package. 1. The lipstick is placed in plastic or metal tubes. 2. Each batch is tested for texture, color, and durability. 3. Once approved, they are sealed, labeled, and shipped. 3. Types of lipsticks and variations. Paint palette. 1. Matte lipstick, less shine, highly pigmented, longer lasting. 2. Glossy lipstick, high shine, moisturizing, less lasting. 3. Liquid lipstick, dries matte or glossy, provides intense color. 4. Sheer and tinted balms, lightweight with a natural finish. Fun fact: light bulb. Did you know that ancient Egyptians, like Cleopatra, used crushed beetles and red ochre to make lip color? Would you like a DIY lipstick recipe to try at home? Smile.